How to install double pocket doors. Complete guide. In this tutorial, we're showing you the step-by-step process of installing double pocket doors. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us by email or phone. Also, we have professional installers available to assist you. Here are the key steps in the installation: trimming the pocket package. The trimming is done only partially and on one side, as the other side is used for hanging the door panel and inserting the bottom guide through a hole. Parts and components kit. A look at all the components included in your kit. Lock hole installation. We demonstrate how to cut the hole for the lock. Soft close mechanism. Installation of the door guide. This metal part should come into contact with this rubber limiter. We mark and move the limiter. The first panel with the soft close mechanism is installed. This is the connecting plate for the double packet door, because the double packet is equipped with 2 single packets, and this plate is needed to connect them. Cut to size striker. All dimensions are indicated in the instructions for the double packet converter. The video shows the installation of the soft close mechanism on the right, manual on the left.